Actually, I am from Karimnagar, and I've done my graduation in Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, Pasar, in the stream of Mechanical Engineering, and I've done my pre-university course also in the same university itself. And actually, I am from mechanical background. I have no idea in like IT domain. So my friend, one of my friends referred me to join in JSpiders Punjagutta, because she also joined in JSpiders and she got placed. That's why I've chose JSpiders Punjagutta, and like I've joined in June 2023, and I've learned core Java, SQL, advanced Java, and web technologies, and like these skills were helped me to placed in a company. And like along with these skills, I've learned aptitude also. And after learning this, I've attended placement requirements, and I've attended the two requirements. One is Tech Mahindra, and the second one is Tech Toro, and I've placed in Tech Toro. In this company, they have conducted 5 rounds, and first one was the aptitude, and second one was the coding. We need to write the code for the given questions, and third one was the technical, and they asked me the questions based on my resume. They covered entire resume. And fourth round was the HR round, and fifth round was the manager round. Like the director was conducted an interview for me, and finally I placed in that company with a package of 3 to 3.5 LPA. And I would like to thank this institute for helping me and supporting me to learn these skills, and finally I got placed. I am happy. Thank you.